anti-clockwise direction, if theta can be rotated in anti-clockwise direction, is called positive angle. Next one, second star pattern, negative angle. If angle theta, second star, if angle theta can be rotated, if angle theta can be rotated in clockwise direction,